Hello friends! Today we are going to be moving into a new topic in ELA. What is a hero? So as many of you probably have, you've watched maybe hero movies like the Marvel movies or Superman or Batman or Iron Man or any of those kinds of superhero. Maybe someone with like kind of superhuman abilities, or they're just, very, very smart and able to build really interesting machines like an Iron Man. So with those powers and with that knowledge, they kind of save people, right? They help people and they save people from danger. So that is one version of a hero. So we're going to talk about other versions of a hero. So what is a hero? It's somebody who saves you, somebody who protects the country and our flag, like someone in the military, a girl or a boy, somebody who fights bad guys, somebody who keeps us safe, somebody who teaches us the right way to act, and somebody who sacrifices themselves. Okay, so they're kind of character qualities, kind of what makes them a hero. A hero is somebody who is brave, strong with their bodies and brains, nice, fast, cool, smart, amazing, a fighter, a protector. Some qualities that would make a hero a hero. So we're going to look at some examples of heroes that we might have heard of before. So looking at this picture, we have, of course, a picture of Superman. Okay, we know Superman is definitely a hero. We might have seen the movies. He's one of those heroes that, not in real life, but they have superhuman abilities. Then we have this person, and if you look at the picture, you can see that they are a firefighter. They fight fires. So maybe this person doesn't have superpowers, but they do save people, and they are very brave. They help others. They are selfless. They kind of sacrifice their own safety to protect someone else. So they are also a hero. Then you have this little girl, and it looks like this beach. Kind of zoom in a little bit. Oops. Looks like this beach is really full of trash, and it looks like she's got a rake and she's kind of trying to rake up the trash. So really, she could also be a hero because she is trying to clean up. She is protecting and saving the wildlife of that area, and she is making the place more enjoyable for others. And a child doing something so simple as cleaning up the garbage can be a hero. Last, we've got this person. So it looks like she drives an ambulance. She's got kind of her medical bag, and you can see the ambulance in the background. So think about what a person does who drives an ambulance. If someone calls 911 and their life is kind of in danger, like with their health, maybe they could be having a heart attack, or maybe they're very elderly and they fell and they can't get back up again, or a child is choking, then you would call 911 and this person would come and save that person the best they can. So they would be able to provide quick medical help so that they could get better and kind of recover from whatever is going on. So you have this person who would come and kind of save the day there. So that would be another example of a hero that we might not have thought of before. So think about all those examples. You have also military men and women, you have police officers, even your own parents or guardians can be heroes as they take care of you and teach you how to act and teach you manners, teach you everything you need to know about growing up and being part of society. So any of those people are very, very important and can be considered heroes. The next thing you're going to do is find the story on your Power School page called Miss Moore Thought Otherwise. So this is about another person who may not be an obvious hero, but we're going to see that in many ways she can be considered a hero.